right, we are back at Hollywood Bootios. It is 7:30. We are going to attempt to ride Rise of the Resistance.
Yes.
And see Fantasmic.
Yeah, and we're gonna get funnel cake.
Currently, it shows Rise of the Resistance is a 45-minute wait, baby.
Not bad at all. It's one of the lower times we've seen today.
Okay, we're back in. We're back in.
We're back. And we are back, baby.
We are back.
And we are back.
We are back, baby. We are back!
What's the time? 7:42. All right. We'll see if we can make it through 45 minutes or less. Cool. The time is?
8:03.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Oh, that one. So cool. I like that the ship's up there.
A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, some of the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance. Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
Always and forever. That would be a fun ride. Yeah. All right, we got our Star Wars fix. Now we're on to Fantasmic.
Yeah, maybe get a little treat.
Is it called Fantasmic?
Mickey's magic wizard hat.
Or is it
thing.
Fantasia? Curse you. The funnel cake stand is closed.
Boo! We were looking forward to that all day. Lame.
Whoa, my eyes. Alright guys, so we got our seats at Fantasmic. We're kind of off to the side of the stage, but enough to get a good view of what's going on the stage. And so we arrived about 30 minutes early. Everyone else in front of us probably arrived an hour or more earlier. So if you really want a good spot, it's probably best to, you know, plan for an hour and a half, if not 2 hours before the show actually starts, because we're pretty much at the very back of the stands. But enjoy the footage, and I will come back every now and then to talk, because there might be some copyright. So if I ever start voiceovering, that's because that section was due to copyright. cool thing about this show, like many other shows, is that they have a projector going through, I guess, water mist. And I'm honestly a sucker for that. I love these kind of shows. And the fact that it goes through a bunch of the movies, it's just kind of nostalgic to see all these like clips from all of them. That's what a lot of the show is projecting images through water. This part was really cool because from Fantasmic and where we were sitting, you can see the fireworks coming off from Epcot.
To be safe, we lose our chance of ever knowing what's around the river bend, waiting just around the river bend.
Hey, he's over there! Come on, this way! Let's go!
Here it goes. Better throw my hand down and reach me out. All I gotta do is jump!
We'll also say the impressive thing about Fantasmic is their ability to create this larger-than-life illusion, and their, I don't want to call it animatronics, but their machinery, their costumes. And the prime example is the dragon right here. The dragon here is pretty huge, and essentially it's like a giant rig, but it's still very impressive nonetheless.
You may think you're so powerful. Well, this is my dream.
Okay, so we're pretty much at the end of the show right here. This is where I finally kind of understood what the story was, which was pretty cool. It's about, you know, villains from all across the movies. I guess, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but, you know, they're entering Mickey's dreams and kind of messing with him, you know? And so Mickey finally takes his power back, so to speak, controls his dreams, and I guess gets rid of them. So that was pretty cool. I was like, what the heck? The whole time you're so in awe of the show that you don't really know what's going on until that very moment. Hey everybody, future CozyEXP here. We are back at home, but we just wanted to give our closing thoughts on Hollywood Studios, kind of the Fantasmic Show and everything.
I enjoyed it. I thought it was a really, really cool show. I love the music and the fireworks and like the bits of like workers showing up here, popping up here. I thought it was really, really cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's like a bunch of shows at theme parks when it comes to like water mists and like showing images through it. I'm a sucker for that, so I love that stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a good show. Definitely want to get there probably 2 hours to an hour and a half early.
Yeah, as soon as it like opens for seating, you want to be there because it fills up fast.
Like really fast. We got there 30 minutes and we were just like, oh my God, we're at the, not the tip top, but we're pretty much at the tip top.
Yeah.
Off to the side, because they close off the center for seating wise, pretty like by that point.
Yeah, I mean, it fills up real fast.
Yeah, I think you can get concessions.
Yeah.
But
like, yeah, we, like he said, we were at the tip top, and I mean, there was people in front of us. It kind of sucked because there was like a family of kids in front of me, and they kept standing up, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I want to see too. Sit down.
But overall, Fantasmic was fun. Rise of Resistance was a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
Always a fun time. glad we were able to get through that thing in like, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, it was like real fast. One of my favorite things is we've ridden it enough now that we kind of know what's going on, so we like to act out the ride. Like when he's like doing this, we're like, oh. Or like when, you know, like it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. It's cool to just let yourself just be in that world and act as if everything is real. So you're just like, whoa.
It just makes it more immersive and more enjoyable.
Yeah. But all right, we have a ton more Disney videos coming out and some other like Universal videos coming out too. So stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next Cozy Experience.
Peace.
Peace.